Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me teach you on how to use Steam Family. First, open the Steam app on your device, then log into your account. You need to add first the account. Next, click on Friends at the top part of the Steam. Click on Add a Friend. Then in here, simply enter a friend code or make them add you by entering your friend code. For less hassle, simply send a quick invite by copying the link right here and share it via email or SMS. You can also try to search for your friend by entering your friend's profile name. Let's just add this friend code right here. And once you're done adding that friend, then let's proceed. Click on your name on the upper right part to show a drop down menu. Select Store Preferences. Next, click the Family Management on the left part section. In here, let's create a family. Click the Create a Family button, then enter the family that you prefer. For now, let's just enter this family name, then click Create. Once done creating, then invite a member. Click on the Invite a Member button, then select a friend or search for that friend that you want. Let's add this user, then choose Invite as Adult. Next, click Invite again. Simply wait for the friend to accept your invite. The family member that you invited will see the invite notifications if they click on the bell icon at the top. They need to simply click that notification and accept the invitation. After that, you can now start sharing the Steam library. In the Family Management window, click on the library and you'll see here the included games. You can move to Request section where you'll see the current family requests and the purchase and access requests from children will appear here if you added a family member as a child. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.